You've heard the horror stories. German cars are expensive nightmares that fall apart after 100,000 miles. But what if I told you that's a myth? I'm about to share 10 insider secrets that can make any BMW, Mercedes, or Audi run like new for 300,000 miles or more. And you'll want to stick around because I'm also revealing the one deadly mistake that destroys most German engines. Let's start with number 10. Change your oil every 5,000 miles, not 10,000. Ignore what the manufacturer tells you. Their recommendations are designed to get you through the warranty period, not to make your engine last forever. BMW, Mercedes, and Audi all suggest 10,000 to 15,000 mile oil changes, which will slowly kill your engine. Data from Consumer Reports and enthusiast forums like Bimmerpost and MBWORLD shows that German cars getting 5,000 mile oil changes with high-quality synthetic oil easily pass 250,000 miles. Those following the manufacturer's schedule? They often need new engines around 120,000 miles. The science is simple. German engines run hot and have tight tolerances that break down oil faster than manufacturers admit. This causes sludge and wrecks critical systems. Independent Mercedes specialists even found that cars with 5,000-mile changes have 60% fewer engine problems over 150,000 miles. Number 9. Use only OEM-approved oil. This is non-negotiable. Using the wrong oil spec is the fastest way to destroy a German engine, even if you change it religiously. BMW needs LL01 approved oil, Mercedes requires MB 229.5 spec, and Audi demands VW 500 2.00 or higher. This isn't just marketing, it's engineering. JD Power studies show that engines using the wrong oil suffer major failures at 3 times the rate. German engines are built with specific alloys and tight tolerances that generic oils just can't protect. The right oil has special additives to prevent wear. RepairPal data shows using the correct oil cuts engine problems by 40% over 150,000 miles. You might save $20 on a cheap oil change, but you'll be risking thousands in repairs. Number 8. Replace your PCV valve every 60,000 miles. This is a tiny $15 part that prevents $8,000 in engine damage, yet almost no one replaces it until it's too late. The PCV valve controls internal engine pressure. When it fails, pressure builds up and blows out gaskets and seals, causing oil leaks everywhere. According to Consumer Reports, a bad PCV valve is the root cause of 60% of oil leaks in BMWs, Mercedes, and Audis. Here's a quick test. With your engine running, remove the oil cap. If you feel strong suction, your PCV is good. If you feel pressure pushing out or no suction at all, it has failed and is actively damaging your engine. Number 7. Proactively replace your cooling system at 80,000 miles. German cooling systems are notoriously designed to fail catastrophically right around 100,000 miles. Consumer Reports data shows that cooling system failure is the #1 killer of German engines. When the water pump, thermostat, or expansion tank gives out, you get immediate overheating, which can warp cylinder heads or even crack your engine block. The secret is to replace the entire system as a single unit: the water pump, thermostat, expansion tank, and all the main hoses together. This preventative measure costs around $800 to $1,200. That might sound like a lot, but it's a bargain compared to the $8,000 to $15,000 for a new engine after it overheats. Technicians confirm that cars with this proactive service have a 95% chance of hitting 200,000 miles without major engine issues. Number 6. Check for hidden recalls and service bulletins. German manufacturers issue dozens of these that can get you free repairs worth thousands, but they don't exactly shout about it. According to NHTSA data, there are over 200 active bulletins for things like engine problems and electrical issues. Many of these extend warranties, but you have to know they exist. Here's how to find them. Go to NHTSA.gov, pop in your car's VIN, and check for recalls. Then search for manufacturer service bulletins using your car's model year and engine code. For a real-world example, BMW N54 engines have a bulletin that extends the fuel pump warranty to 120,000 miles. That's a $3,000 repair covered for free, but only if you ask for it. Number 5. Follow the severe service schedule, not the normal one. Manufacturers have 2 maintenance schedules, and they love to hide the one that actually keeps your car reliable. The normal schedule is for perfect, ideal conditions that basically no one experiences. If you drive in stop-and-go traffic, take short trips, or live where it gets very hot or cold, you fall under the severe service category. This means oil changes every 5,000 miles, not 10,000, air filters every 15,000 miles, not 30, and spark plugs every 60,000 miles, not 100,000. The extra maintenance might cost you about $200 a year, but it saves thousands in the long run by preventing up to 70% more problems. Number 4. Own a German car scanner. This little tool can save you thousands in diagnostic fees. The average dealer visit for a diagnosis can cost $150 to $200. A good scanner pays for itself after just one use. But the real secret is that these scanners can read fault codes before they even trigger a warning light on your dash. This lets you catch failing sensors or fuel pump issues months earlier, preventing 80% of major failures. Look into models like the Foxwell NT510 for BMWs or the Automaxi COM for multiple brands. It's your early warning system. Number 3. Ignore lifetime fluid claims. This is probably one of the biggest myths in the auto industry. Lifetime really just means it's designed to last through the warranty period. After that, you're on your own. For true longevity, change your transmission fluid every 60,000 miles, a $300 service versus a $4,000 replacement. Change your differential fluid every 50,000 miles, and your power steering fluid every 40,000. Independent specialists have data showing that regular fluid changes reduce major component failures by 90%. Finally, a bonus tip that's just as critical: replace your fuel pump before it fails. German fuel pumps are like time bombs set for around 120,000 miles. When they go, they don't just stop working. They can send metal particles through your entire fuel system. This contaminates everything and turns a $400 preventative fix into a $3,000 to $5,000 fuel system rebuild. If your car is approaching 100,000 miles, especially if it's a BMW, Mercedes, or Audi with a known high-pressure fuel pump, get it replaced proactively. Number 1. You need to think like a German engineer, not just a car owner. These cars aren't built to be ignored like a simple appliance. They're precision machines designed to reward care and punish neglect. See maintenance as an investment, not an expense. Prevention is always cheaper than a major repair. Never compromise on quality. Use the right parts and the right fluids, it's non-negotiable. And keep detailed records. This isn't just for resale value. It's your car's health history. German engineers designed these cars to hit 300,000 miles or more when maintained properly. Just look at the Taxis in Germany, some with over 500,000 miles on their original engines. They follow engineering principles, not owner convenience. Think about it this way: spending around $2,000 a year on preventive maintenance might seem like a lot. But over 10 years, that's $20,000. An owner who skips maintenance? They're easily looking at over $30,000 in repairs, plus the constant headache of breakdowns. The absolute worst thing you can do to your German car is to treat it like a toaster, ignoring it until something breaks. That mindset destroys more German engines and transmissions than any actual mechanical failure. When you ignore a warning light or skip a service because the car is still running, you're just setting up a chain reaction of failures that will crush your wallet. Here's what happens. A small, cheap problem snowballs into a massive, expensive one. That $200 thermostat you ignored? It can lead to an $8,000 engine rebuild. That $100-$50 transmission service you skipped? Get ready for a $4,000 replacement. Data shows that owners who delay maintenance spend 300% more on repairs over the car's lifetime. These cars are complex, interconnected systems. When one part fails and you ignore it, it creates a domino effect, taking down other expensive components with it. Treat your BMW, Mercedes, or Audi like the sophisticated machine it is, and it will reward you. So there you have it. The secret isn't a magic trick. It's a combination of frequent, correct oil changes, replacing parts before they fail, and adopting that engineering mindset. It might cost you around $2,500 a year in maintenance, but it can save you over $5,000 annually in repairs. Cars maintained this way have a 90% chance of reaching 200,000 miles without major issues. That's the reliability German engineers intended. Respect the machine and it will serve you for decades. Ignore these rules and, well, You know the rest. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more insider tips.